Hi, it's Jeannie, and I'm here at the First Street Gallery in Neptune Beach with Frank Gromling. Frank is the author of this awesome book about sea turtles. It's called Tracks in the Sand, Sea Turtles and Their Protectors.
Thank you.
Frank is an author and publisher with Ocean Publishing, and he is an expert on sea turtles. So the sea turtle season has begun here. I can see on my beach alone there are probably 8 nests that I can see. Frank, what's the trend this year? Is it starting earlier? Are they nesting earlier? What can you tell us about the sea turtles
Well,
this year?
it's a really strong season, and last year was pretty good also. And we started early with leatherbacks actually, and we had a number of leatherbacks, and then the loggerhead started in May. And I'm in Flagler County,
right,
and the numbers there are up, and we're having a really, really good season so far.
That's fantastic. It's really fun to see the nest. Obviously we want people to know that they're endangered and protected, and not to approach the nests, not to turn their lights on, but to just watch and respectfully, see that process mature. What is the gestation period when you find a nest till it hatches?
The gestation period is about 50 to 55 days, and that really depends on a lot of conditions. The species in particular, the location of the nest, the temperature of the beach, but generally it's 50 to 60 days.
It's thrilling to see a sea turtle nest hatch. I was fortunate enough to witness it from the very beginning, from the boil, and 103 turtles came out.
Yeah, and it's exciting. I mean, to see nature happening right in front of you, and to see the hatchlings fighting their way, getting to the beach, and that energy that they expend to get to the water is essential. So helping them isn't a beneficial thing.
Right.
Letting the turtles use those muscles that they've never used before is essential for their survival in the sea.
How many out of a nest will survive and come back and lay a nest? Do you know?
Let's put it this way. Scientists believe that somewhere 1 in 5,000 will actually age to the point of 20 to 30 years where they are able to provide eggs and come back to beach successfully.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. And how many hatched in your county last year? Do you know? How many eggs, nests hatched?
Well, out of the total number of nests, for example, 95%.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah, it's good. And each nest has 100 to 120 eggs in it.
Right. Well, it's very exciting, and I feel very blessed that we live in an area where we can observe this and possibly take a glimpse of it.
Our nature here is special, and I hope everybody appreciates what we have.
I think they do.
Good.
Frank Gromling, thanks for taking the time to talk with me.
Thank you for what you do. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Bye-bye.